Morning, YouTube. What's up? It's your boy Zeke. Back with another one. Guess what? We in the attic again. Alright, let me show you what we're working with. Got our drop cloth laid already. So we got plenty of space up here. 3-ton supply, return plenum, swapping that out along with the pool system. Not too bad. We're gonna go ahead and get this knocked out. Just before. Give you a couple clips throughout. Got it ripped. Alright, y'all, got it ripped out. About to start bringing it down piece by piece. Get a hand with this furnace. Bring the new one up. Alright, y'all. We got the equipment up, or the coil and the furnace up. It's the old furnace that I bring down. My supply plenum is downstairs. See right inside of it. Got the pan set. About to get the furnace set, coil set. Get the ducts put on, supply ducts put on. And then we just have return ducts. Put the return box on. Oh. YouTube, what up? This is what we're looking like. We got the supplies on. Gas is done. Need to run the low voltage, high voltage is done. Filter rack is on. We got one duct right there. Alright, y'all, got all the duct work on. We are down to drain and taping this insulation on the line set and low voltage. Something like that. Going right now. Run that wire across, tape on the coil, down, in there. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Zeke. Guess what? We done. It's Saturday. It's like 12:30. We done. It's an early day. It came out pretty good. About to go downstairs, start the thermostat. Let me show you what it looked like first. Hey, look at that. Look at that, yeah. Nice and clean. Yeah, I mean, both plenums. Filter dryer. Float switch, inline switch, drain. Alright, let me go start it up so we can get up out of here. Hope y'all like this video. Yeah, not bad. Let's get up out of here.